Hi. So I just got a diamond painting kit in the mail and I thought I'd make a video to sort of mess around with it and go through it.
Diamond painting.
I've never done diamond painting, but I feel like it's gonna be fun, so I wanted to make a video about it. Got this tiny microphone a while ago and I haven't really used it, so I am testing it in this video. This is the kit. It says it's a houseplant edition. I'm not sure what that means. Pretty sure I think it has to do, oh, okay, yeah. So in this kit, I believe there's gonna be plants to do diamond painting on, if I'm not mistaken.
Which I was not.
We shall see in a little bit. Let's see. So someone on Reddit asked, is diamond painting difficult? And someone responded, the only skill you need is freaking patience and a bit of a steady hand. That's perfect. I don't really have much to do today, so I'm pretty sure I can muster up the patience to pull through and really complete this.
Patience, my love.
As far as a steady hand, that might be a little bit difficult. I just drank like 3 cups of coffee, so...
Coffee.
Anyway, let's get started. ASMR. So let's see what's in this box. We have a little baggie. Let's open it up. There's a small tray for the gems, a tip for applying the gems. We've got the applicator pen, some tweezers, and this heart-shaped trinket. It says Mini 32 Houseplants 2.0. Our gems. Oh, okay. So each baggie comes with a number. And each number is basically instructions for how to put the gems onto the painting, if I'm not mistaken.
I was not.
This is so cool! Okay. And I believe this is the actual artwork. Let's see. Beautiful! Oh. What's included? We got a canvas set, labeled gems, color charts, applicator and grip, multi-placer, white tray, tools and bags, tweezers, hard wax. All right, let's get started. So the one I want to try first is this one, because I think these plants are very beautiful.
So beautiful.
And this one is called a syngonium. So let's go with that. All right, let's see. Okay, so this thing says peel and label the gem baggies. So I have to peel each one of these and put them onto these baggies before I start, because then I'm going to be looking back and forth into each one. So, okay, that's a good idea. Let's do that. Okay, so now all our little baggies are labeled with the appropriate letters. Let's get started. So I'm guessing that this is what I use for attaching the gems. So let's try it. So it says I'm gonna need the number 1. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay.
Take a deep breath.
Okay, so these are all of the ones that I'll need for the plant. And then these are all of the ones that I'm gonna need for the base. Let's go! Okay, I already kind of made a mess. So I'm thinking that you pour little gems into this tray, and then you are supposed to attach this thing onto here.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Okay, so I figured out that this heart-shaped tray contains this red substance, and that substance is basically just wax.
Wax on, wax off.
And when you press down with the applicator pen, you allow the wax to get into the tip of the pen, and that's what lets it stick to the gems. And then you're able to stick the gems onto the canvas. Okay.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
What I'm gonna do is use some tape to tape down the image so that it doesn't move. So there's also this bigger tip that you can use for like attaching multiple at the same time. So here, I was able to get quite a bit on there. Wow!
Wow, that's crazy.
Okay, so I actually found it more easy to just do it one by one and way more relaxing, if I'm being honest. And then what I really like about this little tray is that it has like a little funnel. You can just scoop everything back into its appropriate baggie and you can get ready for the next one. And then the instructions say to just shake it and the gems will fall into place for the most part. Oh my god. All right, so here is the finished product. This was so much fun, y'all. Look at that. That is so cute. It's so shiny too. I think the instructions say I can frame this or I could just leave it like this and hang it around the house. I started at 1 p.m. It is now 2:38. So if you have a little bit of time and you really want to get into it, I will say this was very challenging. This craft is not for the easily distracted. Luckily for me, I didn't have anything going on, so this was so cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for videos or for crafts I can try, let me know in the comments sections below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh, also, how cool is this shirt? I love it. It is the cutest!